Open! Holy f. What? Oh, hello. Welcome back to my channel and to one of my favorite kind of videos, Jeffree Star mystery box unboxings. If you would like to see more of my Jeffree Star unboxing videos, I have a whole playlist and I will leave that up in the cards for you. I was so excited this morning when I got the notification that my box had arrived, so I looked outside and here it is, the Supreme box in medium. Let's open it. I actually almost didn't buy this box at first because I've gotten so many mystery boxes now, I was worried I would just get duplicates, but this box is really heavy. Open! Holy f. Oh my god! Okay, I opened the box, and this is the first thing I see. So many lip products, what is this? Wait. Okay, I think I opened this upside down. I definitely opened this upside down. I'm so good at this, guys. I guess I'll be opening everything in opposite order from anyone else who gets this box. Holy shit. So the first item I'm seeing is this hand mirror, which I believe is from the Orgy collection. This is super pretty. Are you kidding me right now? I just looked at the label of this mirror and it says iridescent light pink. What? Okay, at this point, whoever packs these boxes just has to know who this box is going to because every single time they I'm shaking. Every single time they give me exactly what I would have picked if I could have chosen everything myself. What? This is so pretty. Oh, wow. That's so pretty. That does not look pink though. Am I crazy? Is it pink? I don't know what this is. It's like a nude. This is not iridescent pink, but I don't get, well, maybe I can see in the light a little bit. This is really pretty, and I would never have chosen this for myself, but now that I have it, I really like it, and I can't stop shaking. There's a little crack on one of the sides of the star. It's very minor though. It's very pretty and I like it. Okay, so we have a star mirror. Oh my goodness. I think I'm seeing something that I already have and it makes me so sad, but yep. All right, let's just get that over with. I literally just did my makeup for this video using this palette. We have the Bloodlust palette, an amazing palette by Jeffree. I love this one so much. I have it already. Oh, I was so hoping to get either like the Orgy palette or the Cremation palette. Is it called Cremation? Cremated. But alas, a double. So for those of you who have never seen Bloodlust before, this is what it looks like. It's an amazing palette. I love it so much. It is crushed velvet, absolutely stunning. It is a huge palette and it has a beautiful gold knob here which you lift up, if I can do it. And then this is what it looks like on the inside. It is a gorgeous palette. I love all the colors in here. I've used almost every single one and I love them all. We have so many lip products. It is insane how many there are. Okay, let's start with the purple one. This is the gloss in the shade Wizard's Glass. Ooh, wizard's ass. Why am I like this? Okay, come out. Show me your ass, Wizard's Glass. Whoa. That is really cool. It's like a duochrome bronze and pink. I have never seen a gloss like this before and I'm very excited to put it on my face. And I'll be doing a swatch of everything that I get for you guys so you can see it, but wow, this is amazing. I love his gloss formula and the packaging as well. The purple on this, stunning. And it goes so well with the Bloodlust palette. Let me smell it. The scent of Jeffree's products are always amazing, and I very much enjoy them, so that smells delicious. Another gloss. I can never have enough of his glosses. This one is Let Me Be Perfectly Clear. Amazing. That is definitely something I can wear all the time because it's clear. Look at that. Perfect. I love it. Does this also smell like iridescent cupcakes? Ooh. This one has a much lighter, almost vanilla cream scent. I like it though, it's very pretty. Alright, so I see a velvet trap. This is in the shade Medieval Kiss. Now I will say I did buy one of the velvet traps. I bought the black one, of course, because I love black lipstick. Can you tell? Come out! You're mine now! So I don't know what shade this is. I'm gonna guess a dark burgundy. Whoa! That looks black. Oh, it smells so good. Is it black? What are you? Oh, it's like a dark purple. That's gorgeous. Oh, hello. And I'm hoping that this one will redeem itself. I wanted to love this formula so much when I got the black one, but it was just way too sheer. It didn't wear well on my lips. It moved around a lot when I talked, so hopefully this one will be able to redeem the velvet trap line for me. All right, what is next? Ooh. Oh, I don't have this one, I don't think. So this is the liquid lip formula in the shade Androgyny. Oh my god, that is such a pretty color. I love that when they pack the boxes, they give you things that go well together. Like all of these lip colors so far would go amazing with the Bloodlust palette. Let me see, I'm curious what this smells like. Oh wow, that smells completely different from his other lipsticks. It's almost like a fruity scent. Huh, I like it. Such a gorgeous color. It's like a dark pink-ish. Oh my gosh, so many things. All right, oh, we have Gemini. Oh my god, I'm a Gemini. It was meant to be. Ooh, that's a really pretty nude shade. I don't think I have this shade either. This would also go really well with this eyeshadow palette. It's like a darker pinkish nude. I'm terrible at describing colors, don't listen to me. Let's see what this one smells like. Oh my god, it smells like root beer. All of his lipsticks that smell like root beer are my absolute favorites. I love it. Smells so good, I just want to eat it. I gotta smell it again. Heaven, I'm in heaven. I feel like androgyny, I'll speak my words. I can't speak my words this time. And I also feel like androgyny and Gemini would make a really pretty ombre lip color, so can't wait to wear these two together. Yeah. And then we have, oh perfect, we have the corresponding lip liner Androgyny. Let's see if this is the same color. I like you. So this looks like a mauve, a darkened plum perhaps. As I said, I will swatch all of them for you, but I love this. I do not have this lip liner. I like his lip liners a lot, but I've noticed with one of the ones that I got from a previous mystery box, I don't know if it's because it's old, but it started to crack and crumble when I put it on my lips, and was not a fan of that, so I'm hoping it was just a defective one. But this color looks gorgeous. Cannot wait to try this. All right, let's see what else we got. We got what looks like single shadows. That's fun and new. Ooh, I did not know that Jeffree made single shadows. Is this a new thing? I believe this is from the Jawbreaker palette. It's called Jawbreaker. And then the second one is called Brain Freeze, and it looks like it's blue. And I'm not quite sure, but I would assume this is also from the Jawbreaker palette. Either that or Thirsty. I do not have Thirsty, so if that's true, then I have a new eyeshadow. It's a nice pastel matte blue. Unfortunately, we have another double. Now, I did not get this in another mystery box. My boyfriend was so kind and got me this Extreme Frost in the shade Gag Me as a gift, but I will show it to you anyway because it is absolutely stunning. I love the packaging on the Extreme Frost. It's so gorgeous. But this particular frost has a beautiful blue iridescent shift to it. Oh, it's stunning. I'm actually wearing the purple one on my cheeks as a highlight right now. I love this highlight formula. It is insane. So I will not be swatching this one because I would like to give it to someone else, but I will be swatching my Gag Me Extreme Frost so you can see what it looks like. All right, moving right along here. I see something pastel and pink and pretty. What is this? Is this a makeup bag? Ah! I think it, wait. Oh, this is so cute. What is this? Is it a makeup bag or is this like a purse? I think it's a little purse. That's so freaking cute. Pastel rainbow matches my aesthetic today perfectly. It has a rose gold metal Jeffree Star logo in the front. The inside is so pretty. It is shiny pink material with the Jeffree Star logo, and there are so many pockets in here. I lied, there's two, but so many pockets. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. Okay, so on the inside, all of the accents are rose gold, which I love. There is this teeny tiny zipper that says Jeffree Star. I love how tiny that is. That's adorable. So there are two pockets, one with the tiny little zipper that's adorable, and then the other one which is just open on the inside. There's a lot of room in this bag. I'm surprised. It could fit a lot of stuff. And then of course it has a bigger rose gold zipper at the top, and then these snaps. I should put it on my head. Now it's a hat. This is clearly how this product is supposed to be used. Oh, there's another eyeshadow. Whoa! It says, wow, it's bright yellow. Is this also from the Thirsty palette? I'm guessing either Thirsty or Jawbreaker. That is very yellow. I like it. Ooh, wow. That is such a bright matte yellow. I love that. Wah! No. This isn't possible, is it? I'm looking at orgy wrapping paper right now. There's no way. He gave me 2 palettes? What? He gave me 2 freaking palettes? Oh my god. Oh my god. I cannot believe this is happening right now. Well shit, I got what I wanted. The feeling of this palette is so nice. It's that soft matte touch packaging. Wow. Oh, and I'm getting my greasy fingerprints all over it. Hello, naked people. Welcome to my makeup room. This is huge. Oh, wow. Oh, hi, Jeffree. Oh, that's so cool. So all of the letters and the little mini naked Jeffrees are all raised. That's so cool. Say what you want about Jeffree. He looks good. Damn, girl. He's got that booty. He got that butt. All right, so the moment I've all been waiting for. Oh, wow. Okay, so this is literally the perfect wedding makeup palette for any bridal thing. This is just stunning. I'm not much of a natural neutral makeup girl myself, but when it comes to my acting auditions and things like that, this is perfect. And I just love how big it is, and it's so satisfying to see all of the colors arranged in color order for once. I know with Jeffree, a lot of people don't like how he arranges colors in his palettes, but this one, this is actually stunning. I love that, and that's a big ass mirror too. So probably the first thing I would have opened had I opened this box right side up instead of upside down is a big black hoodie. So let's see what this looks like. For a medium, this is enormous. Ooh, feels really nice and soft on the inside. All right, so this does feature the new Jeffree Star logo. He changed it. I don't know about you guys, but I don't actually like the new logo. It feels something that's more like a sports logo or a sports team. I don't think makeup when I look at it. It's meh, it's okay. And on both of the sleeves, this one says Jeffree Star, and then this one says Cosmetics. On the back, oh my gosh, we have the huge Jeffree Star logo with Jeffree Star Cosmetics in mint and pink. So, like I said, I'm not the biggest fan of this new logo, so I probably will not be keeping this. I probably will be selling this online to anyone who wants it, because I do have a lot of hoodies. I don't need another one, and I'd rather this go to someone who would actually love it and enjoy it and wear it. Alright, so that is it for my Jeffree Star Spring Mystery Box unboxing. What did you guys think? I am so blown away that he gave us 2 palettes and so many lip products. I am absolutely thrilled that I got the Orgy palette. It's one of the ones I was hoping to get in these boxes. So if any of you watching are interested in the hoodie, the Extreme Frost, or the palette, reach out to me, let me know, and we can figure something out. I wanted to give you guys first dibs before I put them up for sale somewhere else. I hope you're having a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!